Hello and welcome to Taller de Luthier in Malaga. We're located in Torre del Mar, which is just outside of Malaga in lovely Andalusia, Spain. This is a new violin and it's just been set up and tuned. It's never been played. So the wood is asleep, basically. It's a little stiff. So I'm going to show you what is an acoustic massage. An acoustic massage would be done just the very first time you play it, or if an instrument has been set up for maybe months and years and has not been played. And you do a gentle massage just to flex the wood slightly. So begin by tuning the instrument, get it up to concert pitch, lay it in your lap, put the outside of your palms on the outside edges, and gently grab each side of the bridge and move it up and down. And as you're moving it up and down, you'll notice that the wings of the F-holes move just so slightly. We're not putting an awful lot of pressure, just a little bit. I normally do this for at least 1, 2, 3 minutes. I won't do it this long this time, just to save time on the video. The next step would be, and do this only with clean hands, to gently massage the upper table. My fingers are also on the back in the same area. And you would gently press in and out, flexing the top. Only do this very gently. Do not do it strong. If you're not comfortable with doing this, don't do it at home. Either bring it to me or go to a trusted luthier and have them show you how to do it. So once you do the upper bouts, then we're going to move down to the lower bouts. And you do the very same thing, both top and bottom. And I alternate left and right, squeezing. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. The next flexing we'll do is to turn the instrument on its side so you can look at the bridge and grab the bouts. And we're going to move the bouts in and out. And you'll notice they're moving in relation to the F-hole ever so slightly. The instrument, when you play it, vibrates and moves in this same basic movement. So this is helping to flex the ribs, the top, the back, ever so slightly, just to wake up the wood. We're going to turn around and do the treble side. I normally flex this for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Again, lay it in front of you. Put your palms on the outside edges. Don't be touching in this area right here. This is very sensitive and you can crack it, so be very careful. Then just grab the outside bridges, move it up and down for another minute or so. Continue on and do the upper bouts as we did before, for 1 to 2, 3, 4 minutes. Also the bottom. Then one would retune the instrument and play it, and you'll immediately know and be able to sense a much greater depth of tone, faster response, and a fuller acoustic range, both lows and highs. So I hope you've enjoyed this short demonstration on the acoustic massage. If you're not comfortable with doing this, either bring it to me or go to a trusted luthier and have them show you how to do it. Have a great weekend, and I hope you will like this video and share it with somebody. Hit the bell. Ding!